ang aking mahal. Alam mo kasi mahal din niya ako eh. Mahal ang aking mahal, walang iba kundi si Kokoy Loren.
Hindi naman pinagit ni Kuya Boy, si Kokoy eh. Ang Kokoy kasi, alam ko naalala ko nung araw, nasa house ko si Kokoy, kasama niya sa kapatid niya. Tapos sabi na ibibigay siya sa akin, Kuya Boy.
Ano pong ibigay niya?
Sabi niya gano'n, guys, tapos kailangan niya yung kamay ko kinuha. Pag gano'n, binigay niya sa akin, wow, yung kanyang high school ring. Sa akin pa yun.
Experience. She was willing to share with me. We were at the beach and we shared. There was no one around, so it was really wonderful. Nice things. She didn't spice roses and pops and roses. And it's always very special to be with you. From the very start, it has been to express how proud I am of you. Iba naman kung kami sa mga Kokoy, talagang parang soulmate na. Oo, parang ganun po. Iba eh, pero meron siya pinapagin, nasa beach ko ko, tulad ka nawa. Ano pa rin tayo? Binimawag yung private life eh. Eh, hindi, kuya, hindi ako. Pwede na
Bati?
I love you, Coco.
I love you, Guy.
Alam mo yung pagmamahala namin ni Coco, hindi nawawala. Andun talaga. Hindi nga kami nagkikita, pero sa puso't sa isipan namin, hindi sa akin lalo na, hindi nawawaglit si Coco.
Salamat, Guy.
Ganun ko siya kamahal.
Ako po ay talagang...
Inglesin mo na lang kaya, Coco.
Alam niyo, parang sila nabablanko, you know why?
Hindi totoo. Hindi pwede mawala si Coco.
Wow! Hey, Guy.
Ayun na nga, Coco, hindi pwede mawala ka ron.
We pray for you, Guy. We pray for you every day.
Hindi ako nawawala sa prayers si Coco.
I must say, God did it. Amazed and so touched with the kind of amazing gift that she had.
That changed my life the way only God's most marvelous gift can. I knew that Nora was resolving without speaking. He was like little telepathy. And she's like that. You have to talk. You know. You feel. And I would be with my family in the Batangas, and she just go out from a busy schedule way, drive herself there on her own, just to say hello. What thrill when you get by like that? When I was trying to make a person your voice, like that division, and the ambitious.
Sa mahal kita, hindi kita pwede makalimutan. Ako ba love mo?
Excellency, mahal na mahal po.